Today I'm going to show you how I earned $350 within 5 minutes of work, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Bradley from Success Online for those that haven't watched the channel before, and today I'm going to show you payment proof. I'm going to show you a method that you can do to make some money. This is a personal favourite method of mine. This is a method that I've done myself, and I'll explain everything you need to know inside the video. Hopefully this is going to be a good informative video that you can take action on and you can go make money with. So I'm not going to waste any time. Leave a like on the video if it helps you out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and if you've got any questions about the method, leave a comment down in the comment section below and I'll jump into the comments and answer some of you guys. So with all that being said, we'll jump into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you personal proof of earnings. I'm going to share with you actual numbers and actual earnings that I've been paid out into my bank account. This is a method that I've done, I've made money with, and I'm going to show you how you can replicate those results. This is a simple beginner friendly method. Anybody can do this, and you'll see when you watch the video how easy this method actually is. This method is working worldwide, and just watch until the end for a bonus method at the end, and I'm going to show you how you can make more money at the end of the video. So with all that being said, let's get into the actual tutorial. Make sure you sit back, relax, watch the video, take notes if you need to, and then go and take action. So let's jump into it and let's get started. So I don't usually do this, but right from the bat of this video, I'm going to jump into it and we're going to get straight into it. And here what you're seeing right now on your screen is a screenshot of my analytics. Well, it's not a screenshot, it's a video of my analytics for one YouTube video, which has made me $351, and it continues to make me money every single day. Now this is a video that literally took me 5 minutes to make, and I'm going to explain how you can replicate those results, and I'm going to show you what this method is and how you can do it. Now I'm going to tell you right from the start that this is a YouTube method, but you're not going to have to show your face, and you're not going to have to create massive videos. These are going to be real simple videos, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do. Don't be shy of this method, don't be shy of YouTube, don't think that you can't appear on camera or you can't make videos, because you don't have to appear on camera, and the videos that you have to make aren't complicated at all. It's very easy to do, and it's very beginner friendly. So one video that I've got here on a different channel, and this isn't Success Online by the way, has made me $351 from 201,000 views. You can see here it keeps getting me views every single day, and the views are going up and up and up, which keeps making me money passively on autopilot. So what is the method? Why does this video keep getting views? What is this video? And how does this all work? So I'm going to introduce you to a channel that I have called Knowledge Base. Now I'm opening it in a new tab here so we can just explain it. So I'm going to go to videos and I'm going to show you some of the videos that are on this channel. Now this channel is a tutorial channel which shows people how to do various different things on social media and on the internet. So I've got here a video showing people how to hide your Match.com account, how to stop email notifications from Facebook, how to toggle mute on Discord, how to create multiple email accounts without phone verification. We've got really simple, easy to follow tutorials here. We've got how to change your Spotify profile picture, 8.2k views. And this channel is basically a collection of videos which makes me money on autopilot. Now I'm going to go to the analytics of this and I'll show you how much money this has actually made me in the last 30 days. So if we go to analytics and then we go to January. In January, this channel alone made me $436. And that is pretty much passively. I didn't really upload many videos in January, and I was getting views from already existing videos which are ranked on YouTube search. Now, if I go to most popular here, I'll show you what type of videos are making me money, and then I'll explain how we can make those videos, or how you can make those videos, and how you can get paid. So the video that I showed you as an example, the video that paid me $355 or $350 is a video here which shows people how to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. So if I open up a new incognito window and I go to YouTube and I type in on YouTube how to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify, I can guarantee my video is going to be right at the top here. And this video here is gaining traffic every single day from YouTube search, and this is how I can make passive income from 5 minutes of work. Now this is a short tutorial video and I'll show you how you can find topics and how you can record videos like this in a second, But just know that ranking short tutorial videos on YouTube can make you a lot of money, because people are going to be searching and viewing this every single day. If we take another one, for example, 277k views, how to reset the Roblox password without email, and then I go and open up YouTube again, how to reset Roblox password without email. This video now is number 2, but it shows people very clearly how they can reset their Roblox password without email. And this video is making me passive income because it's getting views every single day. Now, the way that you make passive income from these types of videos is because of the YouTube AdSense program. Now, the YouTube Partner program or the YouTube AdSense program allows you to put advertisements on your YouTube videos, so when people click on them and watch the video, you're going to get paid for that view because they've seen an advertisement. It's super easy. Once you set it up, you don't have to do anything but upload videos, and then the more videos you upload, the more views that you get, which means the more money that you make. Now, there is a review process and you do have to have like 1,000 subscribers, but I'll show you at the end of the video how you can speed that up and make money a lot faster. But if I show you the last like 90 days, you'll see like my views go up and up and up from these videos, and my revenue also, I mean, it stays pretty consistent, but there's a slight upwards trajectory to it as well. If I went to revenue and I went like last 365 days, here is where I got monetized, but you can see it goes up and up and up. It's not just me making money in this niche either. I can show you loads of other channels which are making like thousands and thousands of dollars. If I put in here tech boomers, we can take a look at this channel here, which is a similar channel. They upload similar videos here in the form of short tutorials. So these are like really short tutorials, like how to use Snapchat cameos, or how to enable incognito mode on Google Maps, or how to set up parental controls on an iPhone. If you've got an Android, you can do like Android tutorials, you can do iPhone tutorials if you've got an iPhone. If you've got a computer which can record your desktop, which I'll show you how you can do in a second, you can do like computer tutorials, you can do Facebook tutorials, Twitter, all social media tutorials, and there's so many angles that you can make videos on to get views. Now, I'll show you this channel here. Now, this channel maybe has 300 uploads, and you can see here are the advertisements, so they are making money. And we'll just check out the Social Blade add-on in a second when it loads. So in the last 30 days, they've got 4.1 million views, which is going to make them around $8,000 this month just from these short tutorial videos. They've only uploaded 524 videos, and these are really easy videos to make, and I'll show you one of their videos and show you how easy it actually is to make. So you can see basically it's a screen recording of a phone, and it shows people how they can, well in this case, how to choose who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. And all it is a screen recording of their phone. Now you can do this whether you've got an iPhone, whether you've got an Android. You can download a screen recorder. I think the iPhone has a built-in screen recorder. And then your Android phone, you can go and download a program called AZ Recorder. And this is the program I use myself, AZ Screen Recorder. And it's completely for free. It's got 1 million ratings here, and you can just download that app and then start to record your screen. For the computer, you can download obsproject.com, which is going to allow you to record tutorial videos on the computer. And it's what I'm recording this video with right now. It allows you to record your desktop screen and then add a microphone input as well, so we can also speak over it, which is exactly what I'm doing. And what you can do is you can record short, simple tutorial videos which are going to get views over time. Like, I'll show you a video here, like we'll show you how to delete Reddit account on mobile. This is a very simple video. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with what Reddit is, and I'm sure a lot of you could either figure out how to delete Reddit, or a lot of you probably already know how to delete Reddit anyway. So this is a video that a lot of you could make. This video started off not getting me that many views, but over time these videos will snowball and they'll start to generate quite a lot of views, which is going to make you passive income. You can see here, this video is making me passive income every single month. And once you've got like hundreds of videos doing this exact same, you're going to see your earnings start to snowball, and that's why I've made in the last month, I think it was like $450. Now, I made a video on my second channel talking about how I'm going to scale this to $2,000 per month. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description and a card on screen if I remember. But just by uploading videos to this, I'm going to be able to scale this to a $2,000 per month passive income machine. And all I've got to do is think of what apps I use, think of what apps other people use, what websites people use, and what problems they're having, and I can make short tutorial videos showing people how to do them specific things. Now, I'm going to assume that all of you have a Facebook account, or like 80% of the people watching this right now have a Facebook account. And I'm going to assume all of you know how to delete that Facebook account. But if I was to type in how to delete Facebook account on YouTube, this video here that shows someone how to permanently delete Facebook account 2019 has got 384,000 views just for something so simple that me and you know how to do. You can create a simple tutorial video showing people how they can do this very simple task. And this one's got 1 million views, this one's got 4.4 million views. There's so much money in creating these short tutorial videos, it's honestly insane. Here's another channel. I'll show you a channel called Max Dalton. This channel here is getting 2 million views per month, and they upload similar videos to all of these other channels: how to log out of Facebook on all devices, how to redeem an Amazon gift card. And what you can do is you can take inspiration from these channels and you can see what they're creating videos about, and you can start to create similar videos around different keywords that they're trying to rank for. Because this is information, you can literally copy the method on how to do that specific search query, and you can just relay that information and show people how they can do that in your own video. Don't go and download their video, but go and make the video yourself, and go and show people how they can mute and unmute Facebook Messenger groups, and go and show people how they can buy games on Steam, how they can add money to their Steam wallet. And if you don't know how to do it, well, just watch this tutorial and then go and make the tutorial yourself when you do know how to do it. It's a real simple concept, and it is going to make you a lot of money. Like you can see from my analytics though, this is going to take time. But there is one website that, if I was to start over again, I would choose to get me where I want to be much faster. And I'll tell you what it is in a second. But first, let me tell you the struggles that I had when I was trying to make money online, and when I was trying to become successful and just be able to make passive income. This was before that I could live anywhere in the world, before I spent last year traveling Thailand, working from my laptop, before I could wake up whenever I wanted to and just start working. This was all before that. This was when I was trying to make a full-time income online, but I really didn't know what I was doing. I was so envious of the people that were making the big money online. And I would watch them on YouTube every day. I was envious of those people. I was going to college for computer networking, hating it every day. I had to wake up at 7 AM to catch the 40-minute bus into town. I was literally dreaming on the bus, listening to music, that one day I would become successful. I was dreaming, watching other people's success, and I was asking myself, why isn't that me? And I assume that a lot of people that are watching this video are in that same position. Dreaming, trying to become successful, trying to make money online, just looking at all these other people that are successfully doing it. It wasn't until I switched my mindset that things started actually falling into place, and I started to actually make money online. You see, to be honest with you, you're not going to magically wake up one day and start living a lifestyle like these people. These people show flashy Lambos, these people show luxurious houses, but you're not going to wake up one day and go into that lifestyle. You have to grab it by the balls and take action. I realised when I was on the bus listening to music, just staring out the window, that for me to become successful, I actually have to go and take action. I would never be able to have the lifestyle I wanted if I didn't actually go and take action. And because you watched this video all the way until the end, you're amongst some of the people that are actually serious about this and actually want to take action. A lot of the people drop off in the middle of the video and they don't actually get to this point. So to be honest, congratulations for that. Now I'm telling you right now, if you want to take the first step to actually start making money online, you can do the method I've just shown you in this video, or you can choose the method that I would personally do if I was to start all over again. If you click on the link in the description, it's going to show you how you can make a passive income online. I'm going to share with you all the information that you need to know, just because you've watched till the end of the video. Nobody else is going to click on this link. They haven't watched until the end of the video. They're not going to know about this link. So if you want to, go and click on that link in the description and go and take action with the method that I personally would recommend, and the method that I would do if I was starting all over again. Cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.